If you have ever wondered how people create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails and stunning posters, the good news is that you don't need advanced design skills anymore. With tools like Ideogram AI, you can generate professional-looking designs in just a few minutes using simple prompts. In this video, I will show you how to make professional YouTube thumbnails and posters using Ideogram AI, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create designs that stand out and grab attention. So let's get started. We have different platforms where you can design your thumbnail. Something like Canva, you'll be able to design your thumbnail yourself, but I would suggest this Ideogram. Why? Because it generates excellent thumbnails, and what you need to do is just to enter your prompt and click on generate right here, and it will be able to generate any kind of design that you want instead of having to go to Canva to import, to do this, to do that. So I see this as, you can be combining both anyway, but I see this as a very wonderful platform for creators out there, YouTube creators, Facebook creators, TikTok creators, and every creator out there. Now I'm on the free plan. You can see that I have up to 12 free plans right here. So this 12 free plan, I'll be able to generate up to 3 different posters, because each prompt you enter will generate 4 designs for that prompt for you. Out of those 4 designs, you just select the best out of the 4 and download. And if you want to download the whole 4, is okay. And if you want to upgrade to the higher version, all you need to do is to click on upgrade. You see that with free plan, that's $0, I have limited slow credits and then limited access to canvas. And then with basic, where I'm required to pay $7 per month, I have up to 400 priority credit per month. So with 400 priority credits, you generate as many designs as possible. You also have quality exports, queue multiple generations, and a whole lot of them. We also have another plan, which is the $15 per month, where you have up to 1000 priority credit per month. You also have quality export as well. And for the pro version, which is the $42 per month, you have up to 3500 priority credits per month. So I'm on the free version for now. If you want, you can upgrade to the basic version, which is $7, or the plus version, which is $15, or the pro version, which is $42. The free version has been doing justice to my designs anyway, and what you're going to do now is for us to proceed and generate a design. Let's say a YouTube thumbnail. So this is, you can see here, describe what you want to see. But before you proceed to describe what you want to see, you have to decide whether you're generating a YouTube thumbnail or another kind of aspect ratio. Mine for now is a YouTube thumbnail, so I'll just click on this 1:1 aspect ratio and select landscape, and then select 16:9. 16:9 is for YouTube. You can see it here, 16:9 aspect ratio. So I can just input my prompt right here. You can set to use ChatGPT to generate your prompt, or you can enter it manual. You can see the prompt. Let me read it out. YouTube thumbnail for Chevening Scholarship 2025-2026. Bright, inspiring design featuring a confident student in the foreground holding a UK flag with a university campus background, showing a few happy graduating students in caps and gowns. The text on the thumbnail should be Chevening Scholarship 2025-2026, and then apply now. The next command is what? Use bold, readable fonts, UK team blue and red colors, clear composition and sense of success and opportunity. Make it look professional, educational, and eye-catching for YouTube audience. Okay, this is just because this one was generated, the prompt was generated by ChatGPT. If you're entering this, you can simply write generate a YouTube thumbnail for me with the inscription 2025-2026 Chevening Scholarship. The background should be some group of graduating students, happy graduating students, standing in front of a university environment. Use bold letters or bold fonts to write the Chevening Scholarship. Just make it normal, just normal language, and Ideogram will be able to catch it and be able to generate your thumbnail for you. And remember, before we proceed, I'm going to be leaving the link to this site in the description of the video, so you can come here and proceed with whatever thing you want to generate. The site is here, Ideogram.ai. Alright, let me proceed and click on generate so you understand what I mean. I will be clicking on generate now. Let's go. You see it's waiting in the slow queue, so we have to wait for a while. Now it says getting magic prompt, 9% complete, 99% complete, generation complete. Wow, you can see it, our design is ready. Like I said, it was able to generate up to 4 different designs for me. It's now left for me to download whichever design I feel is better. So I'm going to click on one of the designs. You can see it here. This one looks good. Chevening Scholarship 2020, apply now. Beautiful design. Okay, the next one is what? I'll click on this. You can see the second design here. This one also looks good. The third design is this. Wow, it's such a fine design. I think this one is also fine. Let's take a look at the last design. This is the last design here. So we have 4 different designs. For me, I'll be going with this. I think this one is so beautiful. Let me click on download. Let me download it. You can see download button here. I've been able to download this. And if you want to take a look at other designs that you generated before, you can just come here and click on this creations. When you click on creations, you can see the list of previous designs if you've had previous design before. But because this one is new, I don't have any previous design, so I've only been able to generate this particular design for Chevening Scholarship. Assuming I had generated the previous design before, below this you'll see other designs here. So it's a very beautiful platform where you can generate your thumbnails and whichever design, even movie posters. You can also design movie posters here. It's a beautiful platform. Just imagine the time it will take you to generate this kind of design, maybe on another platform like Canva or any other platform. But by mere entering just a simple prompt, we've been able to generate this kind of design. So you can see that my free priority credits has reduced to 10. So that is it. You can decide to upgrade to have, so many free credits, especially if you are a regular creator who designs thumbnails and other posters frequently. But if you are once in a while creator, or a creator who doesn't require much thumbnails, you can leave this and be making use of the free plan, or you can be combining it with Canva. I know most creators know about Canva. You can just register with Canva and combine this with Canva. Sometimes you generate from Ideogram, other days you go to Canva and generate your prompts. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this is very simple and I hope you're able to get value. I believe that designs like this can be very helpful for creators, especially creators that are running multiple channels, creators who are handling or managing YouTube, managing Facebook, managing TikTok. So you need time to be able to meet up with all your designs. And that's how you can create professional YouTube thumbnails and posters using Ideogram AI. As you can see, once you understand how to use the right prompts and styles, designing with AI becomes fast and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials on AI tools and design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.